We'll come to the governor's role later. But first, you could have delayed this swearing in, but at least you could have staked the claim. You could have chosen a legislature party leader and staked the claim. Even that has not happened. Yeah. So why so? And secondly, yes, the governor also has a role, and governor needs to invite the single largest party. And if the single largest party is not coming forward, he needs to look at other options. Don't you think? Technically, both these points are quite fair.
See, I think to be fair to the BJP, let me please respond to what Mr. Tulio said at the just now. One, if their whole campaign was that BJP did not have a mandate in 2017, their whole 2022 campaign was revolving around that. And the same shameless Congress party today with 11 seats is saying that we are open to form the government. So basically they say that all the rules apply to BJP, Congress is above everything else. He can talk about what Mr. Babush said after elections, which could have been a very spontaneous response, because after that, he has not really said anything about that. But yesterday, there was something which is very interesting that Michael said. Michael said the split part, the Congress leaders could not explain very well because he joined very late. So he has blamed Congress leaders sitting in a Congress press conference saying that they failed to reach out to the people. I think you know where things are going. And last thing about the press conference yesterday, I felt it was more of a pressure tactic saying that, please take us, please take us. But BJP is very clear, the mandate is given to us and we will form the government. Secondly, as I said, the period around the Holi, there are, multiple, how people, what do you call it, admit it. In North, people see this is not a very good time, not a very holy period. Whereas in Goa, it's a big celebration. So I think taking all the feelings together, BJP decided that as soon as the Holi takes place, we will stake the claim for government formation. And I
You're
again
still going
insist,
back to your original point that this is not Goa specific.
Again, I'm insisting that because in Uttarakhand, maybe there is something to ponder because Honorable CM who there lost the election. But apart from that, I think in Manipur or UP, because if you feel there is something wrong here, then you also have to believe that there is something in UP.
Okay.